Hi, I'm Trevor White, your Chief Engineer with Vunique Vacations, here to talk a little bit about our sports simulator. We're going to kind of go through some of the equipment we have, go through how to get to the games, as well as how to turn everything on and kind of get to that main menu screen. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to our central control center here with all your equipment. The first thing you're going to do is grab your remote. This controls your projector as well as all the infrared lights. That is what's actually monitoring you as you play your different games. So once you hit that power button one time, just be patient. It's going to take a little bit for everything to turn on, but soon you'll see the light actually kick on for the projector. But while that's all coming on, let's talk a little bit about your equipment. So in this sports simulator, it's really fun. You get to play a bunch of different games. Some include golf, so you have your golf clubs. We have a hockey stick, which you'll use your hockey pad here to actually hit your pucks off of. We also have soccer balls and a bowling ball as well. So a few different items to allow you to play a lot of different games within those different sports. So as you can see now, if you take a look over, the projector's warming up, but let's talk a little bit about what you see above here. You'll actually notice a light on. So that infrared light is kind of giving you a spot here. We've also marked on the turf a little dot of where you kind of want your starting point to be for all of your sports. So just make sure you're always lined up underneath that light. So now that the computer has come on, we actually have a wireless keyboard you can actually pick up. For demonstration purposes here, we'll show you what we're able to do. But you have a trackpad, so you can actually use your mouse, and you're gonna go over to the click here sports simulator icon, and we'll just double click that. Once we've clicked that, it's gonna slowly turn on here. Just be patient with it. Once you get into the sports simulator, it's gonna give you all your different sports to choose from. Once you click on any of these, there's multiple games within. So for example, soccer here, you click in and you have all the different games to go through here. If you have any questions with turning on the sports simulator or using the equipment, just reach out to your property manager. We look forward to hosting you